If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hi folks, and we're back with another cool, crazy, great, fun pen review from me, Larry's Fountain Pens Review. Remember, Larry's Fountain Pens Review, Larry's Fountain Pens Review, yeah, yeah. All right, here we go. Almost like that song, nah, 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 hey, 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 goodbye. Okay, anyway, here we go. Here we go. What I'm going to do today, after I show you the pen, talk a little bit about it, I'll do a review. Okay, so here we go. I picked up from Pen Boutique. It's called the Edison Comet Fountain Pen. And this is the C Spray series. And it comes with an 18K gold nib I wanted. Of course, you know, the gold nibs are more expensive, so you'll get a much lower price for a steel nib, which is just as good, but I prefer gold. It's my thing if I can afford it. So anyway, it comes in this little pencil sleeve like this with Edison and the name and stuff on it. So we'll come it right out because we all want to see what's in the box. And you got the Edison logo. Nice pen case. I'm into pen cases. Very cool. And as we open it up, this is where the magic begins. Are you ready, magic? Time for a donut. Okay, here we go. And I'm going to set this little jewel right over here. Isn't that beautiful? Okay. And then let's see what's inside here. You got some goodies. A bookmarker, Edison's. And you got, I believe you can mark your pages, do your journals. That's pretty cool. And of course, I think this is a sticker. Yep. So you get a few goodies with it. Thank you, Mr. Edison. And that's Brian and Adria Gray from Edison Pens. Again, this is where you can, or you can go straight to Pen Boutique and do your shopping there. Shop till you drop. Isn't that what they say? Yes, sir. Shop till you drop. Alrighty. So we'll put that up there. And we'll close this up. Blah. And we're going to talk about the famous pen. Here we go. La 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 la. First of all, you can get the pen in extra fine, fine, medium, and broad. These are pre-order. And the cap, you can post. It unscrews. Love this blue color that's in it. Okay, so cartridge or converter. The material of the grip section is going to be a resin with the clip. It's in a chrome color. I wish they would make them come in a gold color. That would be even cooler. Now the length of the pen is going to be 5 by 6 long. And let's go ahead and post it now. Very nicely post. Fits nicely in the hand with that beautiful nib just looking at you. Postage is going to be 5 by 9 inches long. Now, the material for the pen is going to be acrylic resin. Nib is the two-tone color. Can you see that? Beautiful nib. It's 18K. And the nib size is extra fine, fine, medium, broad, 1.1, or even a 1.5. I'll say this again, ink and the refills can be international ink cartridges if you're into that. No, it's not retractable. And the series is the Edison Comet. And it says it shines like the azure skies. It has a beautiful shine to it. Chrome plate. And it also has a guaranteed warranty. So let's look at the pen a little bit. And it's fun, yes. So as we go up the cap on top, look at that. I like how that looks. See that little dome type? That's interesting. Huh. Let's look at that. What do you think? Any
Oh, very
input?
nice, yeah.
I'm trying to think. Oh, that's awful cool. That's the first I've seen like this. I'm digging this. I'm feeling it. Can you feel it, people? You dig the colors? All the swirls, how they come together. Really nice. And of course, it does have the Edison Pen's Comet down here. You have the logo right here. Edison Pen Company. And you go down the barrel. It's cigar shape anyway, but it goes down the barrel, thins out on top. You unscrew it so it does post like I showed you earlier. No problems. And we go down the barrel, and there's the little threads where the cap screws on. There's nothing that's going to be annoying or hurt your fingers. And it has a decent sized grip section. I have small fingers, but it will accommodate large fingers. Sometimes I tend to write right here. Beautiful gold nib. Beautiful, stunning gold nib with Edison's logo on the nib. And we unscrew the barrel. Comes with that converter, yay! And you just push it in. And there it is. So what do you think about this beauty? It is a good looking pen. Like I said, the one with the steel nib is way lower than the one with the gold nib. So, if you can't afford the gold nib, you can always afford a steel nib, and it's well worth the money. So what do you say, let's get to writing? But this time, I'm going to use the one and only Robert Oyster. Let's hear it from Mr. Oyster Inc. Yay! Right on, Mr. Oyster. The Dragon Knight is going to be appearing in this pen. Dun, 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 dun. Oyster, Oyster, Oyster Inks. Oyster, Oyster, Oyster Inks. We want Oyster Inks. Is that enough?
Probably.
Okay, Mr. Pronouncer's getting bleh. He'll get over it. Bleh.
Yeah.
Bleh. 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 Here we go. Got Larry's Looney Tune pen review. How's that?
I'm going to send him to his room after this one.
Yep. I think I don't even have enough on there. What do you think? I think I do now, so let me do like that. And then let me, if you don't mind, clean off the nib. Okay. And let's do some writing. That's fun. Here we go. Blum, 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 blum. Oh man, what a dream. reverse writing. Lovely ink. Look at that. Beautiful ink. Down strokes, cross strokes. What's that, you think, Mr. Announcer?
Christmas tree?
Yes. I'm not a good, excellent drawer.
Oh, yes.
I'm an artist, everybody. La, 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 la. Well, folks, that's going to wrap it up. And on a serious note, it would really help me, and you can help me by hitting a thumbs up for the review, watching the video. That helps me to know how many people are watching. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, give it a try. I'm doing a comeback, all I can. You know, I do have some major health problems, but I'm fighting that religiously, and it's you guys that keep me motivated. It's you guys that keep me going. It's you guys that keep me strong. Because you can ask Mr. Announcer just to come in here to do a review is a chore. Wouldn't you think, Mr.?
Yeah, but once you get going, you're doing pretty good.
Yeah, once I get in here and get going, yeah, I'm cool. It's like push him in there, push, and close the door, let him scream. So that would help tremendously. And I enjoy what I do. Truly, I do. So with that said, my friends, give me a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. Leave your comments. Always be civil. No, I'm not perfect. No, I'm not the #1 reviewer. And don't care if I am or not. What I care is that you guys out there like what you see. You have fun. It's enjoyable. You can laugh. You can smile. But also you get the real deal of what my opinion is on a review. God bless each and every one of you. Hey, Jesus loves each and every one of you. God bless. Rock and roll, baby. We're out of here. Goodbye.